Hey, what's up guys? I'm C Love, and this is the super simple birdhouse. This is my easiest build yet, and the idea comes from a long-time really great friend of mine. His name is Cy, C-Y, and he's a really great guy. I appreciate you, brother. This project would be perfect for your younger kids who are just now getting started with tools and woodworking. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Come on, let's take a look. I'm telling you right now, the cuts for this project are so simple, I'm just going to be like, and I'm done. That's 4 for the body at 6 inches each. One will have a hole for the door and a dowel for them to land on. We've got 1 at 7 inches for the roof, 1 at 6 3/4 inches for the roof, so you don't have to put a miter on there. And then 2 at 7 inches with a 45-degree cut on one side. These will be the sidewalls. Here's a visual of your cuts and dimensions, and I included measurements in centimeters for my friends who are building this using the metric measuring system. Here's how everything will fit together, and hopefully by now, you know I don't like to take a lot of your time, so I'm going to zoom right through this. I'll use some clamps to hold everything together while I pre-drill my holes. This wood seems to be pretty warped, so it will be a tiny little struggle. By the time I get done, my pieces aren't going to line up perfectly, but I don't anticipate any endangered species inhabiting this structure, so I think it will be okay. I'll use screws to hold everything together for my video, and you can do this too. Just take them out when you get done, and give your little helpers some nails and a hammer. Make sure and keep an eye on them so they assemble this safely. Once I've finished building my birdhouse, I'll pretty much just eyeball the placement of the hole for the door. I'm using a 1 3/4 inch hole saw bit because I already had this laying around and it seemed like a good size. The piece I drilled out fell inside of the house, so I need to take off the bottom to get it out. This will also enable me to dump out the sawdust. I'll take the time to sand down the inside and outside of the door hole. I need to drill a hole that is a 1/4 inch in diameter just under the door opening for the dowel that will serve as a landing place for the birds. You will need to attach some type of eye bolt to hang it or sit it on a pole in the yard so you can put it in service. This will be based on your own personal situation. Once I'm finished, I'll take a moment and show you my buddy's young daughter putting together her very own birdhouse. Don't forget to acquire some acrylic paint so your little ones can personalize it and make it their own. The possibilities are endless. Thanks a lot for stopping by my channel to take a look at my super simple birdhouse. I really appreciate you sharing my video with a friend of yours that has a young carpenter in the making. I'd love to hear from you in the comments section, and come back soon. I'll have another great build for you.